What is up, guys? I'm back with another video, but before we hop into this one, I just want to say something really quickly. I am not active on this channel, as you lot can tell, because I have not uploaded in about a month's time. But I just want to say that you lot need to go subscribe to my second channel, because that's where I'm on there on a regular. The most I will do here is live streams, and that's only because I can't live stream on my second channel, as it's not eligible enough to do so. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to that. I'm Tajay, make sure you go subscribe to that right now. Also, follow up my TikTok as well, because we're active on there too. I post a TikTok at least every day. Like, I'm consistent on there and on my second channel. So follow up my TikTok at officialtjldn, and also subscribe to my second channel. And yeah, man. And one more thing, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a stream. If you miss a stream, I do post the some of the stream on my second channel, so you don't really miss the whole thing. But turn on your post notifications for this channel right here, so you don't miss out on the stream. I cannot urge you enough. But yeah, man, it do be lit over there. Let's get into this video.
Pray I never lose and pray I never hit the shelf. Promise if I do that you be checking on my health. If it's for my people I'll do anything to help. If I do it out of love it's not to benefit myself. Please subscribe. Please. Okay.
I did not record me taking out my hair at the start, but I do have a few little clips and pictures. But yeah, I'll just show them at some point. But yeah, let's just hop straight into the video. Enough time has been wasted. Let's go. So yeah, when I took out my braids a couple days ago, I left it out for like a day. As you can tell in my previous YouTube video, you can see my hair was out, and I left it like that, and in this bit I proper combed it out and all of that, so I could wash it properly and I wouldn't get so much breakage. But I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even lose that much hair, you know, and I was kind of surprised, because last time I did this I lost a lot of hair. There was a lot of breakage, and I don't want to say too much, bro. You're gonna see the end result. But yeah, man, I was really pleased. Now I'm just gonna wash my hair. First, what I do, I just run my hair under some warm water, and then you can start to see that my hair starts to get a bit curly. Like, because my hair's just naturally curly and my curl pattern isn't so tight, once any little water goes on it or any little moisture, it can go curly easily. So I do watch what I do with my hair and all of that. But in a minute you'll see some of the products that I use, since you lot keep asking me what products I use in my hair, even though I show it in like every hair video. But now I'm going to show it and I'm going to say it, okay? Even though you saw me combing my hair before I washed it, it is vital that you do comb your hair during the process of washing it and running it under water, so you can make sure there's no knots in your hair and it's easier to wash your hair. The more you detangle it, the better, basically. So the shampoo that I'm using is Cantu Natural Hair Cleansing Cream Shampoo, okay? You don't have to get this exact same one that I'm using, but that's the one I've been using for the past few months, okay? But let me tell you this, due to this lockdown taking place, you might want to be careful with how you shop for things right now. So yeah, and the way you have shampoo right now, if you have shampoo, make sure you use it wisely. Like, don't use a lot, like use a bit, like not too little or not too much, like just use a substantial amount. Once you finish washing your hair with the shampoo, you want to get the leave-in conditioner, the pear cream, okay? Personally, I do not think this Cantu conditioner is the best. There are better conditioners out there,
once I do find a better one than that, then honestly I'm gonna stop using Cantu because I don't think it's the best conditioner. But then again, the results I got from this I was very pleased with, so I can't complain. I can't get mad. Now once all the conditioner's in your hair, you want to grab a bonnet or something and put that on top of your hair for about 20 minutes or so, 20 minutes at least. And then when you're ready to blow dry it, you take off the bonnet. And yeah, so during this time I had a quick shower, ate dinner, and by the time I was done I was ready. So yeah, man. Oh, you lot thought I was gonna take my top off in front of you? No, goodbye. Anyway, after all that, I decided to take off my bonnet, and yeah, this is what your hair should look like once you take it off after all that time. Now I'm just sectioning my hair into 5 different parts. So the front part, and then 2 bits in the middle, and then 2 bits at the back. These are the 2 products I use before blow drying: Blue Magic Hair Food and Cantu Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment. Is that what it says? Yeah, the camera didn't want to focus, not my problem. But yeah, those are the products that I use before blow drying my hair, and it does make it easier and avoid your hair from having to break and all of that. So I do strongly advise you use that when you're blow drying your hair. But yeah guys, I'm just gonna stop talking from here and I'm just gonna let the music play out. And yeah man, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Stay safe and wash your hands. Alright, say less.
Please subscribe. Please. Please.